I really just bought Sims. It was on sale for $99. Man, what a weird time.
Today we are doing tunatengeneza sabuni ya kuosha vyombo, sabuni ya kuosha floors, but it's going to be used mostly on the floors. And we are using 5 liters of water. You need a bucket. You need these products, like this is the salt that you use to make the soap. There's this tiny little salt. I don't know the scientific names, but they have some scientific names. There is this, and there is this, and there is the color. Today we're going to use blue, and there is some perfume. So the perfume is different from, these ones are for the fabric softener. So we're going to be using how many products? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course water. So the first thing you need to do, you need to mix up all these things, these 4 things. You need to mix 4 things, and then koroga, mix, add your water, mix, pole pole, add your color, and then finally you add your perfume. So that's it, guys. And let me tell you, all these products were going for 150 shillings. 150 bob, you have this sabuni. So be my guest, be my good guest. So let's just start off with the salt. You want to add in all the 4 products, and then you're going to be mixing them pamoja zote until now you get to the time that you need to add the water.
It's time for a little party. Original bad man. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. It's alright, and you know we got the vibe as you going. We bringing them in now till the early morning. Got the barbecue on fire. She have to act like the umpire. Dance all around the bonfire. No undercover, me now wear wire. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Take the position, I waste no time. Flex your body, make you free your mind. Man, they think about you all the time. Lick up party, make you get that wine. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Root girl, you are moving naughty. Come have little gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly. Me not tell you say me fire can't cool. Me not tell you say me nothing can do. But the vibes say everybody can do. On the streets say me really can move. Bad girl, she a whine upon me. Root girl, you are moving naughty. Come have little gin and tonic. It's time for a little party. It's time for a little party. You can have all them drinks upon me. You can have all them drinks on me. See the girls, them a whine upon me. Them man, them a moving calmly.
So guys, you're going to add in some little kidogo water, and then stir until you see the consistency is imekuwa nyepesi. So stir, and then we're going to add our maji pole pole. Yeah, so the point is to break down this flakes. That's the point. So guys, after you mix up that, we're going to be mixing up maji pole pole, and just make sure that your unapika uji. That's the point. Like you stir and stir and stir. That's the point. That's the only work that you're going to put in to save money. Imagine stirring some is it tricep or bicep? We're going to work out your triceps and biceps on this one. So we're going to add our water pole pole as we stir. The bubbles have started forming. Like we already have our soap. If you don't want what is it called, color, and you just want it clear, then you got it. You got it already. In a few minutes you have a soap. This is a business idea, by the way, that you can actually do, because I see people do this and then they put whatever the soaps in such small bottles. Hey, it seems like, I don't know what product this is, but you just need it here, and it's a bit viscous. Mix, and it's hot. So this is a business idea, as I was saying, because you can easily make your soap from home and sell. So yeah, you can think about it. It's also a business idea, and it's also an idea to save your money. So from what I'm looking at, we don't have flakes, so let's add more water. It's already forming bubbles. If my daughter was here, she would be so excited. Yeah, so that's it. You stir and stir and stir, and then the next process, we're going to add in the, see guys, the consistency is so good. We're going to add in the color. We chose color blue, so we're going to add in the color and then add in the perfume, and that will be it. That's it guys. Like, these videos are even so short. Imagine. That's it, and I think I'm going to be using this soap ASAP. Wow, I already love it. The consistency is so nice. So for 150 bob, we have 5 liters of soap, and the consistency is so nice. So let me add in the color. So we have the color here. It's color blue. And this product is corrosive, the smallest one, so they say you be careful when handling it. Of course I need to be in gloves, but just be careful when you're handling these. So since I already put my 5 liters of water, I don't want to make it so light, so we're going to add in the color. So don't add directly because it's not going to mix well. So just add separately and then mix. Yeah, so the color is so conk. I love how conk it is. So I'm going to be using the soap for my surfaces, for my floors, instead of using the powder. Yeah, so that's it. Imagine guys, imagine, just show them the soap. That's how much soap we have. It has foam, but it's so thick. It's so thick, guys. I love it already. And let's add in the perfume. Perfume smells nice. I don't know which flavor. Is it the flavor? I don't know which flavor they took. Smells really nice. It smells really nice. Wow. So guys, that's it for this video. We have our soap. Imagine, we have our soap in less than 10 minutes. We have our soap. We spent 150 shillings for 5 liters of soap. So you can imagine how much you saved. Yes. So I'm going to link, or rather I'm going to put in the directions for where I bought them. And of course, if you're in Nairobi, there's a place at OTC near the old Tuskies. Hapo hivyo OTC. Ukiulizia tu ukiwa hapo OTC, hapo penye Tuskies. I think right now we have Quickmart. So if you ask for the directions of where you can get these soap products, you can get them hapo hivyo Tuskies. And there are very many shops that sell these products. In Juja, we have one opposite Cooperative Bank, but here hawauzangi the products for fabric softeners. Yeah, so that's it guys for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this series of making products from your home and of course saving money. Thank you so much for sticking up to this point. I love you guys and God bless you for watching up to this point. If you love homemaking videos, cleaning videos, anything around your home, I got you. Please subscribe if you haven't so far, and also turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. Thank you guys. I love you. Bye.